Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Blitz survival games. Today I'm on Rainforest. I joined this map when there was like, I think about 15 people in the waiting lobby. And I waited here for like, I would say about 5 minutes until it got filled up. So that was BS. People were just joining and then one of them left and blah blah blah. So it took a real long time. I don't get why people aren't playing this. I had even like forgot that there even was a map like this, and I'm playing with Horsetamer if you didn't realize. I've always wanted to play with Horsetamer on this map, Horsetamer 9, but I don't think I've done that yet. So yeah, first time, and I'm also on 1.8 if you didn't realize. I didn't want to switch from Warlords. That's why I'm playing with this Resourcepack also. And because the Huawei one is pretty messed up in 1.8, like a little bit at least. I know the like fishing rod looks flat basically, and I think the bow is a little bit messed up, but this seems to be fine from what I've seen yet at least. Come here. I remember this map from the summer. I know it got released sometime in the summer and I was playing this map like all the time, but I didn't play a lot during the summer. I can't really do that because I'm usually somewhere else, not at home at summer, and I also have really bad internet, like a really unstable 3-bar I guess, but it goes from sometimes being like 1 bar to 2 to 3 to 4 bars sometimes. Remember I played on this map and I grinded for Snowman 9 I think. It was like this, you know, right before the kit changes, like the ones with Horsetamer, when Horsetamer got nerfed. I had Horsetamer 8 and 250 coins like right before that, so I could have had the old OP Horsetamer 9 for a little bit, but I already knew that Horsetamer was going to get nerfed, so I didn't buy it. I would have been able to have it for about 3 weeks I think. And so I decided to go for Snowman 9 kinda, but I waited until the change to upgrade Snowman, which was kind of bad. I don't know why I did that. So when the change came, I got Snowman 8, and then I grinded a lot on this map. It was just new, and it was always like filled up with Snowman 8 for Snowman 9. And I also play with Astro a lot. Was it Astro? No. Wait, I didn't have Astro 9 then. Wait. Oh, wait, no, yeah, right, I actually probably had Snowman 9 already, or something. I remember playing with both Snowman 9 and Astro 9 on this map, and I got Astro 9 later than Snowman 9. This is getting really confusing. I'm sorry about that. Let me spawn my horse. 1.8 PvP. I don't know, I don't think it's too bad. And you can still block it, but like I can't like spam block it. I don't really think that works very well. And that's why I don't like to play Mega Wolves 1.8. I'm so used to being able to see stuff with the combat from Mega Wolves and Warlords. Nope, this is Blitz, you know. This horse is really slow. Come on. Oh, this is going so slow. Oh, okay. Let's. Oh. Okay, let's go. No! No! No, I'm stuck. Wait. Ow. Ow. That hurt a lot. He's not stacked, so I should be alright. He's trying to get out. Oh, great. Does the fishing rod have a bigger hitbox? I don't know. Possibly. I wanna go for the Blitz star, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it. If someone's by mid already, they will probably find it. So nice with a horse when you're climbing mountains like this. I'm used to the horse not being able to jump from warlords, but now it can. Yay! I really hope he didn't have any stuff that I missed to help me. I don't think he did though. Feels better in F5 mode on a horse. Well, it's going really slow. No, it's probably not faster to walk or sprint, I guess. That's an AFK, dude. Thank you for the Blitz star. Let's get... Wait, let me just kill this guy first. He's AFK. No, wait. He's AFK. He hasn't crashed because he took knockback. What's internet? Well, he would have probably been dead in that case. Oh, wait. This isn't for 1.8? What? What? Okay, I thought it was for 1.8. Maybe he's just not changed the enchantment table, I guess. Alright. Let's track this guy down. I totally forgot about this map, but it's really nice. I don't know why people don't play it. Let's get on my horse. I'm kinda scared of this guy because he's so much more stacked than me. Should I do it? Robin Hood. Come on. Great. 1.8. Okay, well. Struggling. Great. How could I miss him? Oh well, it's okay. GG. Well, that was a fun game. Rainforest is really fun map. I remember the old times. And it wasn't like level 10 kids in every game, and I had my level 9s. I didn't even have a level 10, and it was just so fun. Like Technoblade only had level 8s. That was a good old time. Yeah, I miss those times. Blitz was so fun. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. I'm really going to start playing more on Rainforest. That's a so fun map. But as I said, I got to wait like 5 minutes for a game to fill up. That's about the same time as I could have played a whole other game. Almost. So, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, rating, subscribe, do something. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.